If you want to grow your e-commerce business globally, especially in the African market, don't skip the video. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how easily you can integrate Paystack with FluentCart in some simple steps for a fast and seamless payment experience inside WordPress. So keep watching. Here's my store, buzzing with products and customers. If I move to the payment option, you can already see that all the top gateways are already connected. But as I mentioned in the beginning, to make transactions easier for my customers from African regions, let's tap on Paystack. Okay, so hit install, and that redirects me instantly to the configuration interface. To take payments through Paystack, make sure you've turned on the payment activation button. Okay, now there are two modes here. Let's go with the test mode so we can ensure everything's working properly before processing real payments. To connect Paystack with FluentCart, you'll need some credentials and a webhook URL setup. So let's see how we can get it done. Here, I'm inside my Paystack dashboard. And if you go to the settings, you will notice API keys and webhook at the top. You will find all the credentials over here. Now, let's copy the keys and put them into the correct fields. By the way, for the live credentials, the keys and the process is the same, so there is no extra hassle. All you need to do is copy this link and then paste it into the test webhook URL field in Paystack. Don't forget to save the changes. With that, your online store is ready to accept payments. Let's see how it works. So when a customer picks a product, clicks Buy Now, on the checkout page, they'll see all the payment gateways that are currently active, including Paystack. After entering the details and choosing Paystack, they can go ahead and pay with a card, bank transfer, or mobile. Let's complete the payment process. And you can see how fast you can collect payments in FluentCart inside WordPress. You can connect multiple top payment gateways and make transactions effortless. So why wait? Grab FluentCart now. If this tutorial made your business easier, smash that like button and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials this year. Got questions? I'm down in the comments. See ya in the next one.